I had a client called me this morning, and they just had to share this with me. And they said, the next time you talk with somebody and they say, why do I need an agent? They say, this is what you tell them. And I said, you know what? I'm going to put that in a video tonight. So here I am. I had a client who 8 years ago, their son got a job, got their own insurance. They called their insurance company. I won't say which one, but they're based out of Florida, and they're not red. So you can put that together. They took their son off the insurance, so they thought. Now they're getting ready to go on to Medicare. They called to cancel the policy, and they asked if the son still wanted coverage. And they said, well, wait a minute. He hasn't been on the policy for 8 years. And they said, yeah, he has. So long story short, what they ended up doing, the insurance company, once he got the employer coverage, they put him with their policy as a secondary insurance instead of removing him. And they have paid over $50,000 in premium, and they didn't even know it. They just assumed that it was rate increases every year, but he was still on the policy, their son. So whenever they asked the insurance company, hey, why didn't this get taken care of? The insurance company responded, well, you should have had an agent to help you with that. That was their response. So that is why you need an agent. So when you need to take somebody off your insurance, it gets done, and you're not paying 50 grand over the next 8 years for insurance that someone's not using. So we are going to try to, do a demand to get those premiums back. We are going to file a grievance with the Department of Insurance. We're going to try very hard to help our client. But again, these are reasons why you should use an agent or a broker. You don't pay us anything. The insurance company pays us. So there's no additional costs or fees for using an agent broker. It's a common misconception that you pay more when you use an agent. You don't. Give us a call. We'd love to be your agent broker. We answer the phone, and we take people off your plan when you ask us.